Hi.
Hi. Hey, hello. Welcome to Ningbo, Shunsheng. We are factory in Ningbo. Yeah.
And you make cables.
Yeah, we are with different cables, and this is HDMI cable with high quality, with breeding, and yes, this is also is better. Different models. Yeah, I think you like it. Yeah.
What is special about this one?
This one is also with breeding. Just the molding is different. Yeah.
All right.
We're also making different patch codes, just like this is a new one. Can make just like this. Yeah. And this is a new product. New product.
You can see it there. It says 380-degree rotation type.
Yeah. And this is patch code with a lock. Yeah. Okay. You can click this. Okay. To take it out, then you can. It's easy to take. If you put it to make it's a lock, can't take out away. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. This is.
And what is this cable?
This is just a flat. Yeah, HDMI. Because this is easy to just like to put it in the wall. Yeah, it's
Nice.
easy to engage in the wall.
Nice. Any other cable you want to show?
Yeah.
What do we see here?
Yeah, this is the patch code with the different breedings. So the mouse can't to make it broken. Yeah.
So they will not eat them.
Yeah.
And this angle?
Yeah, angle.
Right.
And we're also making the fiber optic cables with the different specs. Yeah.
Which one is the most interesting, special one?
Yeah, no,
What
it
is this
just
one?
depends on the customers because different customers with different specs. Yeah.
Right.
And yeah, also making the FTTH fiber box with outdoor and some indoors. Yeah.
What do you show here?
Fire alarm cable. This is a fire alarm cable. Yeah, with different specs. Yeah.
All right.
Also, yeah, we can making some different tools. Yeah, different tools and the cable testers and also the patch panels. Yeah.
How big is your factory? How big is the factory? How many people there?
Yeah, it's about 200 people. Yeah, because we have two factories. One is in Ningbo, another is in Kunshan. Our head factory is in Ningbo.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.